fun with science. Making a homemade volcano. Have you ever wanted to see a volcano erupt right in your own home? Well, now you can with a simple experiment using things you might already have in your kitchen. Here's what you need: a bottle or a jar, baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, optional, but it makes the eruption look cool. Here's what to do. First, ask an adult to help you set up your experiment area. Put some newspaper or a tray under your bottle or jar to catch any spills. Now take your bottle or jar and place it on the newspaper or tray. Next, add some baking soda into the bottle or jar. You can use a spoon to do this. If you want your volcano to look extra special, add a few drops of red food coloring to the baking soda. It will make the eruption look like lava. Now for the exciting part. Pour some vinegar into the bottle or jar. Watch closely as the vinegar reacts with the baking soda. It will fizz and bubble up, just like a real volcano erupting. And there you have it, your very own homemade volcano. You can try experimenting with different amounts of baking soda and vinegar to see how big you can make your eruption. Just remember to have fun and be safe.